So it is 6:25. I am trading on an XFA account, which is the second level in the Topstep eval or sim. I'm trading NQ. Market's about to open in 4 minutes. Usually when that 30 hits, you get the big candles, and then I'll mark the opening range. I can already tell this resistance. Let's do another one here. See where it breaks out. If it breaks out from this zone, then I'll delete it once the first 5 to 15 minutes form. And this is my third try at an XFA. I'm hoping to keep this account. Looking at the 5-minute. Okay. It's definitely, if I were to draw some trend line, just for reference. Okay. Now I can delete that. But overall, looks like it's going down. Struggle to break up top here. 2 minutes out. I think I've put about a month. It's going to be a month and a half into trading with Topstep. I can pass the combines pretty easily. It's when I'm in that middle level. Last time I tilted so bad, I had 16,000 balance, and I was on day 5, just ready to request a payout, but I tilted and ruined the whole account in one day. So this is the next round. 1 minute out. Let's see when it starts forming. Sure, whatever, that works. There we go. Let's look at the hour chart. If you zoom out to the hour, looks like it's climbing up, but it is consolidating right here. Let's put this back to 5 minutes. Okay, so we got 2 strong green at the open. volume. I'm gonna enter long.
Order filled. Order
Scalp.
filled.
One is good. I am a scalper. I am just a shrimp. That looks like a strong buy. I don't like how it's wicking halfway down on the range here. Why I like to scalp is at least I got from here to here, exited while I was nervous, and then locked in that profit. If it continues to climb, I'll scalp off the big movements instead of waiting for a big movement. Reacting. Okay, so that's, ooh. Had this been a strong green, I would have entered another long. Sellers are matching this buy candle. If the body forms past this, we're gonna wait till this one decides. If it engulfs the body, I'll wait for the second red candle to form and then go in short. That last trade made 155. Okay, so I'm going long here. Get the volume. And go.
Order filled.
Pushing.
Order filled.
Exit. Got $35 off of that. Oof. See if a pullback forms. Okay. It's wicking past the high of the last bar. Okay. Might go into the short if the next one is red. Oh. I want clean entries. So this is our new resistance line. I like to scalp engulfing patterns. Usually that's a confirmation on a double or on the second or third candle. Or if it's a really strong body on the first candle that goes past the previous candle. Looks like it's strong. I anticipate a red candle forming after this one. If it does, I'll go in short.
Order filled.
I'm pretty confident. Oof. Go red. Go red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, sellers. I'm gonna put a stop loss up to here. Not gonna put a take profit. I normally don't use stop losses, but because I'm recording, let's practice some decency. Okay. That wick is 39.1.
Order filled.
Nice, so that was 125. We are up 306. My goal for the day is 500. That's starting to form a decline. So I will start making the trend line going down. Let's keep shorting this. See if it loses steam though. I need that third candle.
Order filled.
Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Oh, fuck. I was going past that last one. Be patient. Oh my god, that's where maybe if it goes past here, I'd reverse. Okay. That's a stop. Okay.
Order filled.
Count 600, guys. 140.
Order filled.
That's losing steam. Let me just scalp to recover that reversal in tinier amounts. I'm 1.4k away from blowing my account, but we're not gonna do that. I should have reversed here. Let's play. Instead, I reversed here, so I was waiting at the peak. No patterns yet.
Order filled.
Risky move. Okay, let's lock that in. Wait, too small. Keep going. Now we can lock that in right there. Support line 115 or resistance line.
Order filled.
Okay, wick back down. Gotta make up 400.
Order filled.
Ooh. Push. Again, 140.
Order filled.
Got taken out. 2-week red forming.
Order filled.
Come back in. That's a bad sign. Should we wait on it? Might turn green. There we go. Come on. Let's go. I'm gonna hold on to this one. Feel a strong rally up. Okay. Oof. I don't want to get knocked out. Please get 100 off of that. And then we'll set it and forget it. Climbing too close. Give it some breathing room. You get taken out so quick that you get pulled out with a tiny red. I want to give it room to breathe.
Order filled.
Take it out. Sometimes it be like that. So we're down 122. It's about 20 minutes, 20 something minutes after market open. Let's look at the 15-minute chart now. Ooh. Okay. Getting a little wonky here. Look at this period of consolidation. I have a feeling it's gonna keep going up. It's losing steam though. It's losing steam. Let's see if it breaks through the high. It's formed a new high. All right. Where am I buying that? It didn't fill.
Order filled.
It's gonna buy that. It's gonna buy that. 355, 375. Let's
Order filled.
get it 140. Nice, nice. $50, bro. Really doesn't want to push past this. If that was a strong buy, then the body would be at least past the middle. Let's see where the next one forms. It is flat topping for sure. Let's see if it'll break past this high. I'm not coming in until I see a strong body. So we're up 89 from that last scalp. My win rate is 93.75%. I know that one loss was 935, so I'm definitely hanging on to my losses longer than my wins. I love the quick wins. And it's really hard. People struggle admitting to a loss, so they hold on for longer. So we have a nice sell going on here. Might enter short. Let's see how this second candle forms. I try not to predict, I just react. And I put my crosshairs where I would have placed a trade, so I would have shorted here. Let's see if it goes past my dash line. I'm glad I didn't so far. Okay, it's breaking the flat top. See if it closes past that. See if it closes past the high, and then see if the next candle continues in that fashion. Not liking this. Oof. Choppy, guys. Choppy. We don't play chop. See some strong candles here. We've got us. No. It's definitely taking away this on the 15-minute chart. Okay. I don't want to be faked out, so we're gonna be patient. Nothing's worse than entering and then it just oscillates off of your entry line. So my crosshair is right here. Imagine if I entered that short because this body was forming and didn't wait till it closed. then the delta would have been here to here. Oof. That one's coming close to breaking the high. I'm gonna prep for going in long. Let's look at the, let's zoom out on the higher time frame. Oof. Okay. Okay. Oof. Just don't like how not confident that next candle is. It's really resisting this top right here. Touching the line, okay. I wouldn't enter right at the break. I would wait for the confirming candle. Good. I didn't go in long on that one yet so far. We are at 28 minutes in from market open. Had some big moves from 6:30 to 6:50, and it's flat topping. This is a strong sell. Let's see. I really don't want to blow this account, so I'm gonna be sniping more as opposed to all the instances before I would have fun full porting and fucking around and finding out, but I'm playing conservatively this time. Here we go. So that type of movement's scary, and we've got the wild, wild west going on now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna mark that. Just like seeing where things start going wild, because we had at 6:30 and then at 7, so 30 minutes right on the dot. This is also a sim. I'm not sure how close this is to market data, especially before. Sometimes I feel like I didn't want to call it rigged, but it was definitely acting questionable. Might go in for a short depending on how this candle closes. That's a hammer. Not really. Whatever. Now, had I entered that down here as a short when it was, had I panic entered, that would have been a big loss from here, and now it's going back here, pushing past the top of the last candle. Let's see if it'll continue forming past it.
Order filled.
Right at the line. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buyers. Risky entry for me. Let's just scalp this baby.
Order filled.
Ah! That was 25. We don't like that. We're gonna keep
Order
going.
filled.
It's not a confident trade. Don't enter. It's 25 bucks. Oh Lord. Okay, come on. Let it cook. 600. Stay patient. I'm not gonna adjust it. Not just yet. Maybe I will. I want the 500.
Order filled.
Cool. That's ending at 689. I don't like how it's losing steam, so I'm gonna end it here. Today's stats, our trade win was 94%. I don't like how this one loss definitely lowered my average win. Profit factor, at least I'm more than doubling my my entry, my buy-in. See how I scalped 10 really good ones and held on to one really bad one. So we want our average winning trade higher than our losing trade. Trade direction, I played more longs today. Usually I'm a 50-50, and that's why I like scalping. So we're gonna end the day here at 689. I am going to lock out and then get ready for the day till 6:15. Cool. Bye.